We are working on our greenhouse, and we have some updates that we want to share with you today. We have been growing a lot of plants in the greenhouse this summer. And really, we still are. Look at these tomatoes and bell peppers. And it's November. They love being in the greenhouse. My rosemary and other herbs are doing great too. Because winter is just around the corner, we needed to do some things to help the plants continue to prosper during the cold months. Now, we are in Zone 7, and I realize it could be worse, but we do still get into the 20s and sometimes into the single digits. So I want to make sure that the plants stay warm and they can continue to give us a good harvest even in the winter months. How do we do this? Well, first is to make sure that the greenhouse is as airtight as possible. The second thing is to produce thermal heat. What is thermal heat, you might ask? Thermal heat is using cinder blocks and bricks to hold heat. We plan to do the same with rainwater catchment toads, but first things first. We start by laying bricks on the floor. We already have gravel down, which will help, but this will hold in the thermal heat even more. Before we lay the bricks, we put a layer of chat down. Chat is tiny rocks. We find a brick design that will work for the space and begin laying the bricks. Once the bricks are down, we have one more step. We purchased this quick concrete in bags, and all we have to do is pour it on and sweep it into the cracks around the bricks. Then all we need to do is water it down and soak the concrete into the spaces around the bricks. It looks good, doesn't it? I am very happy with how it turned out. We did one section at a time. We do still have one section to do, but for now, this will work. There is another thing we are doing to help with thermal heat. I will have to show you that in the next video. Do you have a greenhouse? Have you done anything with the thermal heat? Let me know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.